Oh yeah. First gear that was. Rutted out berms. Oh, what'd you call them? Hills? Berms, hills. Just kind of see how she does. Feather the clutch a little bit. Very curious how it'll do in the slower stuff, so it's cool to try it out here where I'm familiar. I also softened the rear suspension. I think I mentioned that, but in case I didn't. Just the slow speed. So you get a little sag when you, a little more squat when you get on the throttle. It helps get the traction going up hills and making tight turns. You gotta be careful, you know. Flame outs and stuff. Well, this bike seems pretty resistant, but it's still a 4-stroke at the end of the day. It's gonna flame out on occasion. You just gotta know that going in. You gotta accept it. This is what it is. First gear here up on this. Sitting down to roll this too. Suspension feels really good, man. I really like this setting. Chug up it. See how she does. Oh man, it feels good. Freaking forks just feel great. Oh man, this bike feels really good, dude. Gotta be honest with you.